In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets for multiple users. Sharing data and collaborating with others on a spreadsheet can be incredibly efficient, and Google Sheets makes it even easier to work with your team in real time, wherever you are. Let's get started by opening up Google Sheets in your web browser. If you haven't already, sign into your Google account. This will allow us to access all the sharing features we'll be covering. Once you're logged in, open the Google Sheets homepage and select a new or an existing spreadsheet. To start collaborating, you're going to want to share your spreadsheet with others. Look for the bright green Share button in the top right corner. When you click this, a dialog box will pop up. Here is where you'll enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the spreadsheet with. You can also set permissions for them. There are three main options: Viewer, which allows them only to look at the sheet; Commenter, where they can add comments but not change any data directly; and Editor, giving them full access to make changes. Choose appropriately based on how you want your team members to interact with the document. As you input email addresses, remember to select the right permissions for each individual. After adding all the necessary emails, click Send. Note that users will receive an email notification containing a link to the shared document, so they can easily access it. Now let's say you need to allow a participant outside your organization to view or edit the sheet. In that case, you can change the link sharing settings. Return to the Share dialog box and click on Get Link. Adjust the settings to Anyone with the link, according to what permissions you want to grant. Google Sheets also tracks changes made by users, which is especially helpful when multiple people are editing. To view the history of changes, go to File, then click on Version History, and select See Version History. This will display a sidebar showing previous versions, highlighting edits made by different users, so you can keep track of who changed what and when. Additionally, if multiple people are editing the spreadsheet at the same time, you'll see their icons appear near the top right. Click on any person's icon to jump to where they're currently working in the document. This real-time collaboration feature is particularly useful during team meetings or brainstorming sessions. Moreover, there's the option for users to comment directly on cells. Highlight the specific cell, right-click, and select Comment. You can even assign tasks to specific people by entering a plus sign followed by their email. When you do this, they'll get a notification, and it's a neat way to assign responsibilities without leaving the spreadsheet. By using these sharing and collaboration tools in Google Sheets, coordinating with your team becomes a lot more streamlined and productive. Once you've shared your spreadsheet, tailored permissions, and familiarized yourself with version history, you're well on your way to leveraging the full potential of Google Sheets for multiple users. Happy collaborating!